guys, so it's kind of early, so I'm gonna like talk a little bit quietly. But Jimmy's still sleeping and I don't want to wake him up. But I wanted to kind of like plan a date for us. I know we can't go out right now, so I'm gonna try and like make our own date, if that makes sense. So I've actually already done something like this before for him. We did like a dinner date and I made like a little restaurant in our room, but then I put all the footage into my old computer and then I spilled water all over my computer and it broke. So I lost all that footage, but it was fine. It was like a super fun date. So I wanted to do it again, but I don't want to do the same thing. So I decided to do like a brunch themed one. So I'm gonna try and do like a little picnic thing in our outer backyard area. Hopefully it turns out cute. I'll link all the products below, by the way, because this is just going to be like a really quick makeup look. I just wanted like a little bit of an excuse to get a little bit dressed up, you know. But I definitely like miss getting ready to go out on dates. I'm trying to make sure to give us occasions to like dress up a little bit and like have nice, you know, outings. I was watching the new Fruits Basket, like the new version of Fruits Basket. I've already seen the whole season of the original Fruits Basket like a long time ago when I was little, but they have a new remake of it, so I've been watching that, and there's like a lot more details and stuff and I guess hidden things within the plot that I didn't really know about or they didn't really mention in the original, like in the original edition of the anime, I guess. I guess they're including a lot more things from the manga, but I don't read manga, so I wouldn't know. I was cleaning our room yesterday, and like the sun comes into our room around like 1 to 2, and it only lasts for like 30 to 45 minutes. And so I'm always in our room during that time because our room looks so nice and pretty during that time. And then I turned on Fruits Basket on our projector and then I just cleaned, and it was so relaxing, and like I felt like I was you know, one of those Studio Ghibli characters with the really pretty like lo-fi beats music in the back, and I was like cleaning on a perfect like spring day or something. I will say though, I've always been a Kyo supporter. I was never ever like attracted to Yuki in any way, but I've always loved Kyo, and I'm noticing that I'm always really into like the characters that are very hot-spirited. I really love Bakugo, and I really love Rin from Blue Exorcist. I think I have a type, which is funny because Jimmy's not like that at all. You would think that it would reflect Jimmy's personality, but it doesn't. Like, I'm very drawn to characters who are like have tempers and but are like nice deep inside, you know. Tried this lip color. It's called Air Kiss. It's one of ColourPop's Velvet Lips. Okay, so I have 2 outfits in mind. I'm gonna try on both and then look, and then I will decide. Oh my gosh, I love this dress so much. Okay, I'm gonna try on the other one. It's a little bit more casual, but I still think it's gonna be cute, but I feel like I really like this one. I might go with this one in the end, but we'll see. I don't know which one to choose. I need to think. think I'm gonna put my hair in like a one braid because it's a little bit oily today. You guys know that TikTok sound that's like na 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 meow meow na 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 meow meow. It's been stuck in my head. It's such a good sound. It's so cute. I'm just gonna put on this necklace from LYFT in Paris. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try and make French toast and pancakes, but I need to go get some bread, so I'm gonna walk to Target really fast and get some bread, and then yeah, and then I'll cook, and then I'll lay out a little blanket outside, and then I'll wake Jimmy up. I hope this goes smoothly.
Hello. Good morning. I'm so excited. I can't believe you made it. Was not what I was expecting to wake up to.
No?
I thought you were baking for later.
Have you been awake for a while?
It's almost like 20 minutes.
We got some French toast, pancakes, or French toast sandwiches. We also have some clementines.
This one has bacon. Oh wait, no, that. Wait, what?
Okay.
No, this one's just pastrami. This one.
Oh, okay. Your pancakes look so good. What the hell? They're like perfect circles.
Because I used the tiny pan, because I figure we don't eat like actually that many pancakes in one sitting.
No.
So I was like, oh, I'll just make little ones.
I know. Because like the last time I made like 50.
Okay. I did a good job.
Yeah? Dude.
Yeah?
Holy cow. How'd you make the eggs?